Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a badass drop D classic rock guitar. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. Yo, what are we talking about here? I'm gonna play for you then further explanation. You're gonna love this. And so on. Did you hear the difference? It's awesome. I love it. Why? Because I tuned the guitar down to drop D, so the low E string became a D, but I'm still playing in E. What advantage does that have? First of all, the E5 stays the same. But then we go down to the dark, brewing D5 and to A5, and suddenly this sucker sounds really awesome. And I found another really cool tricks which I'm going to show you now. Alright guys, the riff is really simple. The chords are E5 to E minor to D to A. So now we have to transpose this to drop D, and we start with a little figure. Here this opening figure, hammer on from 5 to 7. And now we create an E minor chord with 2 strings. So, and then we add the chord E5. Now it's in the 2nd fret, barre over 3 strings. Sounds really cool. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. So you make on 1. You make this little figure here, and the 2nd chord comes on 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we do the same figure in D, and then we make here 4, 5, hammer on, lettering to 4, open D string. It sounds really awesome, this chord, to A5. And the A5 also comes on 4, and so 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that sound awesome? Let's do with the backing track. It's so cool. I love it. Oh, now I talk too much and I missed the starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is so cool. Do you notice the difference? We're playing in E now, and you're used to this sound of the normal rock guitar in E, but it sounds way more powerful, has a way more punch because we have the low D5. That makes the whole thing like, whoa. Okay, now we add a second thing. Now the E5, the big E5, is a little bit complicated. Barre here with the ring in the 4th and the pink in the 5th. And now we make. But this chord is really cool. It's a huge power chord. Then we go to D5, and then we jump to this D. I really love this one. From this D5, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, to this here, and to A5. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do this. It's really cool. Oopsie. Oh, my brain, I was thinking about the licks. Sorry guys. Okay, so that works really cool. Now we need a little fill in. This will be this one here. It says 1, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. And comes a 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. And you make hammer on 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 0. And you need the little time from the pull off from 5 to 0 to go back to the chord. You have to be really fast. So let's do this here. Now we're going to play the whole thing with second part. Yeah, and as you can hear, the backing track is only drum and bass. So this huge sound is coming from one guitar and some delay on 90 BPM. Just repeats the quarter note. Now you can even push it harder. You can make like a you can go into the shred. Just with the E5, you can move it up in the 5th fret. There you can be just creative, just give more power, more tension into it. And if you want to do more fill-ins, you can go up here in the 12th fret. If you play in a trio situation, you just need to keep your arm going on, and that's the main key. Yo guys, that was the really badass drop D classic rock guitar, and I love it. It has so much power. I mean, just listen to these chords. drop D doesn't necessarily mean that you have to play in D. In this case, we're playing still in E, but we have a totally different sound of rock in E. It's new, it's fresh, it's awesome, and you also gonna love it. Yo guys, one more to say. If you want to download the backing track, just drum and bass plus the tabs of the riff. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join them with a free member account, but for the downloads you need a premium member account. Good, one more to say. Nothing else. Being Dr. Pink or saying goodbye.